So this is 6 months she retouched her hair last, and today we are going to do the retouching again today as she requested, and we are going to be using TCB relaxer, and this is a 425 gram. We are going to be using it. Okay, yeah. So first of all, we are going to use Vaseline. This Vaseline is very important so that she's going to not feel a pain at the edges here. We're going to allow it, apply it at the edges like this. So if today is your first day joining our channel or watching our video, this is Chikwado Space. We do lifestyle videos. We do cook, we do a lot of things. If this is your first time watching us, please, after watching this, go to our channel here. I will add a lot of videos down here. The hair I've retouched to my children, even where I retouch mine. I'm going to see a lot of videos on my channel you're going to watch. Also, feel free to check our cooking videos, guys. So now, thank you so much for joining or watching us. Let us know where you are watching us from, so that we're going to give you a shout out. Okay, I'm a mom of 4 living in Germany with my family, so we create videos called lifestyle. We show them here. So what you are seeing today is my daughter. I'm going to be retouching her hair today, and I'm going to retouch also her elder sister, but her own is going to be the first one to retouch. So feel free to watch to the end and give us a thumbs up, share our videos in case if people like or want to know how to retouch their kids' hair at home, they will know how they can do it. So I'm trying to part the hair into 4 parts so that it will be easy to go or to start with. So you can use pin turn so that they can see your back. This is her back, guys. Now, after applying Vaseline, and I will go open our relaxer. That is TCB relaxer, hair relaxer. I'm using Super. We have regular, we have Super. I'm using Super because he has a thicker hair more than her sister. This is how it looks. So, and hold it. And I will not forget to wear my hand shoe. I have my hand shoe also here. If you are retouching here, please wear your hand shoe to protect your hand, okay? And someone can say her hair is dirty because I made her hair for how many? I made her hair. I will show you where I unravel her hair. I unravel her hair 2 days ago or a day ago, and today we are retouching the hair. I will add a video where I unravel her hair. So guys, for me, we will start from the back. We start from the back. So what we're going to do, part some and add the relaxer. Where she sits is not even proper for me, but I will try my best to make the hair fast. It's going to be faster so that the hair is going to be fast retouched at the same time. Bring your hair up so that they can see. Okay, let me stand up so I can be faster. on her body. So I needed to do this before I started. So now I'm bringing the two together. I'm bringing the two together.
For vlog, we did lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado space. This Chikwado space channel. Oh, this is Chikwado space channel. Oh, if you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado space. Chikwado space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado space. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, Chikwado space. Chikwado space, oh, Chikwado space. We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment.
So I will come back in some minutes and show you, or during the washing time. Okay, so now we are going to wash her hair. We are going to be using the avocado shampoo and avocado conditioner. Okay, so this is the shampoo. We are going to use this. Before we use it, we're going to wash it a little bit. We're going to use warm water or the cold water first. So we're going to be using shampoo. Use shampoo very well so that you can wash all the relaxer out. Massage it very well. Wash it. I like using avocado shampoo because of it's so nice. I love it so much, and I love this particular product. Gene is a very nice product. Then talk of cream or hair products. It's very nice. So try to scrub me with your finger, but not the nails, so that you can remove all the relaxer. So now we are going to be using spooler, which we call conditioner. This conditioner will make the hair to relax very well. I take generous amount and I will massage it all the hair. You can allow this to stay like 1 to 5 to 10 minutes before you wash it out. Okay, it depends on how you want it. If you want it to work very nice, just allow it to stay a little bit longer. You can also as well comb it. So now guys, I added the shampoo on conditioner. Now I want to comb it a little bit, and I allow it to stay for 10 minutes before I can wash it again. Okay, yeah, so by allowing it to stay for 10 minutes now, it will make the hair to relax more and more. You can see she have washed it, her hair relaxed. I will show you the next part, or I will show you the outcome of the hair when we wash it and dry it. When I dry it, I will come and show you how the hair look proper. For now, you will not know whether the hair relaxed or not. Okay, At least now her hair, you can comb her hair and the hair can go back without her feeling pain. So I will allow it now. I will cover it to stay for 10 to 15 minutes, even 20 minutes before I can wash it for her. Like the scent. This hair cream is so nice with coconut infused oil. What you see, it's so nice. How much? How do you see her hair? Let her hair out, guys. Her hair is so soft now and well relaxed. Show your back so that they can see your hair very nicely. So guys, this is how my daughter's hair looks. So nice, easy. It's not more hard. It is no more hard to comb. It's easy to comb now. And she's loving her hair so much. Do you love your hair?
Yes.
My baby girl loves her hair so much. And I am happy now that she loves her hair much and much. No more hair hard combing. And this is how we're gonna come to the end of her own. I'll continue with her sister. Okay guys, her sister own. Let's continue with her hair. Show them your front, how I part your hair. Look at how I part the hair here. She's gonna carry this for 1 week more. Look at this, so shiny and well. Do you see that she didn't have any wound at all? No harm. Okay, when somebody who know how to retouch your hair, you're not going to have any harm. So you can see her hair is now beautiful and great. So, Mac choose. We love you guys. Bye.